Before we start, I just want to quick introduce myself. My name is Jazz, and I am also a beginner in this field of website design, UX, UI learning, Figma designing, and digital content creation. I am still learning, still exploring, and still practicing every day. So everything that I'm sharing here is based on my own experience, trial and error, and free tools that I personally use while learning. I am not professional expert yet, and I'm not affiliated with any company or platform that I mentioned in this video. I simply want to share the things that help me as a beginner, because maybe it can also help you if you are just starting. So if you are learning like me, then let's explore Figma together and let's start designing. For now, I'm going to speed this video up so you can see the final outcome of the entire page design. Usually it's just the same process that I showed you earlier, playing with shapes, colors, fonts, and all the other tools. Most of the tools I'm using can be found on the right side under the design panel. So take your time, play around, and explore those options. And of course, if you have any question, feel free to comment down below, and I'll try my best to answer each one. If you notice something that I wasn't able to explain or mention in this video, just let me know in the comment section as well. I'll be happy to go over it for you in my next tutorial or reply back to you. Now let's jump into final result. And that's it for today's tutorial. Hope you learned something about how I personally use and play with shapes using Figma.
Thank you so much for watching. If you want more informative and beginner-friendly videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Your support really helps me create more content about Figma, design, and content creation or AI. Comment below what you want to learn next, and I'll see you in the next video.